Most people with full-time jobs, when they want something, they buy it. And the reasoning is,
but I work hard.
Okay, fine, I get it. We all work hard. But there's a reason some of us become millionaires and some of us don't. Because of this one difference. When you're beginning your journey to wealth, you can't just spend your money and buy whatever you want when you want. You need to buy assets that make you money. If you're not doing that and just spending it on stuff,
because I work hard,
then you're gonna have to constantly work for the rest of your life. Because you're never gonna have assets that make you money in the background passively. You're gonna constantly have to work for money. Working hard is great, it's fulfilling. I'm not saying don't ever work. I'm saying work hard and stop spending your money on things that don't make you money. It might seem like I'm picking on you, but I'm actually on your team. Wouldn't it be better if you stopped spending on every single thing and used that money to start investing on things that made you money, and then you can buy whatever you want with the interest that money makes you? It's basically free money.